Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard, and back to another Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we've got a beautiful car. This is a 1970 Chevelle SS, and this paint job on the car is just absolutely beautiful. The only thing I can see that we need to do is put some really cool wheels on there. I love doing these American muscle cars, especially a Chevelle like this. That's just a beautiful car. So grab your favorite adult beverage, sit back and relax as we do today's wheel swap. Let's go ahead and get started.
It's time to start the autopsy.
I've already drilled out the posts, so let's go ahead and get the car apart. Now, if you want to see how to drill out posts on a car, go to my playlist section in the how-to section and you will see different videos that will help you along with taking apart your car, preparing your car for paint, tools to use, etc., etc. Here's the base. Got 12mm wheels in the back and 10mm wheels in the front, so we'll get those set up. Here's the interior. And here's the windshield. We got a couple scratches on the windshield, but we'll go ahead and we'll polish those out. Let's continue. Alright, let's remove the wheels. We're going to take these sprue cutters and we're going to take out the wheels by cutting the little tab that holds the wheels in. You don't have to cut out all the tabs because the other ones that are there will help support the new wheels that you put in. Today we're going to put these beautiful Sam Ed wheels. Now the back wheels I had were gold colored, so I went ahead with a Molotow chrome pen and colored in the rims, in case you're wondering why the two colors don't look the same. When you put the glue in here using this pen, make sure you only put about a drop, because if you put much more, you're going to weld those wheels in place and it's not going to be very good. And there's today's tip from your Uncle Paulie. Once you get those wheels in place, go ahead and use the little UV light and that will cure instantly the glue that you put in. And again, be very sparingly. It's going to take some time when you put your glue in to learn how much to put. But I tell you what, after replacing one or two sets of wheels because you put too much glue, you'll learn quickly. Now these ones here are a little bit tight. I only put one drop, but I actually had to remove the wheels and put another set in. Yeah, we had to put another set in. That kind of sucked. Alright, let's do a little bit of detail here. Sorry for my big old meat claws in the way here, but I'm putting white on the headlights. Sometimes these little details that you put in are just what you need to set this car off. Now if you happen to do a little bit of overspill or put too much paint in, just wipe it off and do it again. Alright, now we're going to put the base in here and we're going to color in the taillights. Trying to get at a better angle here for you so you can see. Here I'm using a permanent marker. This permanent Sharpie works fantastic. So they also have some that have got a finer tip. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're getting anything out of these videos. It sure helps me in the long run, and it helps me provide you with more and more videos as we go along. So mash that subscribe button and hit that like button. Here's the windshield. Like I said, it's got some scratches in it. So we're going to go ahead and use this Plastex polish. And we're going to try and buff out those scrapes by hand. If you push too hard, you're going to mar up the surface too. So just be ginger with it and it'll turn out just fine for you. Now when you're finished, if you clean it off, you can always dip it in the Pledge Revive or the Gauzy, whichever you prefer. If you can find it, the Pledge Revive turns out to be a better deal, but the Gauzy is a fantastic product and I recommend that also. It's got a little bit of haze on it, but we did get rid of the scratches. That body looks fantastic. Now here's all the pieces. We got the body that we drilled out the post and detailed it up some. Here's the new Samed wheels that we put on. Here's the interior. Didn't do anything to that, but it looks great. And we polished up the windshield. Let's go ahead and give our creation life.
Lies! Lies, do you hear me? Give my creation lies!
And here's what we started with. This Hot Wheels 70 Chevelle SS. And like I said, the paint job on this car looks absolutely incredible. So we didn't want to mess with that. We took the car apart. We put brand new Samed wheels on there. We polished up the windshield. We detailed out the headlights and the tail lights. And our work has definitely paid off. And this is the result. Look at how beautiful that car looks with just a simple wheel swap. And as I always say, guys, you can do this too. Get yourself some wheels, even if you get them off the pegs at Walmart off of a premium car. But get in there and start customizing the cars the way you want. If you want to strip them down and paint them and make them look better to you, go ahead and do it. I've got these videos here to help you out, and there's plenty of other folks out there that are producing some really great videos, like my buddy Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs, Tom at Caliber 50 Customs, and Harlan from Go Bears Diecast Workshop. Check out my friends' video pages, and you won't be sorry because they do some excellent work. Now I try to put up a new video every Wednesday for wheel swaps, but we got a bunch of other videos coming out in the very near future, so please stay tuned for that. And hit that like button. This video today is brought to you by Samed Wheels. Samed Wheels has a very large variety of wheels and accessories for all your die-cast needs. Check out their website and look at all the different varieties of wheels they have. The hardest decision you'll have to make is which ones you want. Samed Wheels at www.samedwheels.com. Check them out today. Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. We've got a lot more videos coming up in the future, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for joining me here today. If there's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Thank you, and cheers.